Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be making Puffy Sidewalk chalk. Now this is a great activity to do if you don't have sidewalk chalk at home, or even if you do, because it is a fun new twist on regular chalk. So all you need for this recipe is 4 ingredients. You're just going to need some dish soap, flour, water, and food coloring. Now I already made some blue Puffy Sidewalk chalk and I put it in a squeeze bottle just like this so that when I use it on the sidewalk I could just squeeze it out using this top. So you want to make sure you have some containers like that as well. So to start, I'm going to add 1 cup of water to my 1 cup of flour in my bowl, just like this. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of dish soap. And I'm going to pour that straight in as well. And then, last, I am just going to add a few drops of my purple food coloring. And you can choose any color that you want. So I'm just going to put a few drops in. We'll start with 4 and see how I feel. Oh, maybe only 3. I'm running out. Okay, so after all your ingredients are in your bowl, you can just stir it together. So I'm just going to use a little spatula to stir. And now I'm just going to keep stirring to make sure that there are no lumps in my Puffy Sidewalk chalk. Okay, and once you're done mixing your sidewalk chalk, you can just put it right in your container and you are ready to go. So I'm going to take you outside and we are going to use some sidewalk chalk together. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!